Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to add your YouTube channel to your Roblox account. Now, it will be a clickable icon so your friends can find your YouTube channel. That's a very easy process. Let's get straight into it. The first thing, of course, open up your preferred browser, head down to roblox.com, and here you can see that I added a YouTube link that will link to whatever YouTube channel you would like. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. The first step that you want to take is go to the top right corner where the cogwheel appears. Now from there you open up these settings, and inside these settings you scroll all the way down till you find the social networks right here. Now, as you can see, we have the YouTube tab, and here you can make the YouTube link to your channel or whatever channel you would like and add it to the social networks. Now, from there, make sure to put it at visible to everyone or only friends you follow and your followers. Now, from there, make sure to save this. And once you've saved it successfully, you can hop onto your profile, and inside your profile there will be an icon of the YouTube channel you've just created, as you can see right here. And if I press it, it will open up the YouTube link. Now, if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This will help me out a lot, and thank you for watching.